cafe solitude, hush my mind. Let the past fall far behind. Every echo soft and light melts into the coffee night. Letters scrawled on paper thin, stories woven deep within. Caffeine hums a lullaby, fleeting thoughts that drift and die. Let the moments steep and brew, let them fade like morning dew. Nothing stays, yet nothing leaves. Trapped in warmth, my heart believes. Oh, cafe solitude, hush my mind. Let the past fall far behind. Every echo soft and light melts into the coffee night. Close the book, yet still remains cafe solitude in veins. Close the book, yet still remains cafe solitude in veins.
어린이 보호구역입니다.
In the quiet of the morning light, coffee in hand, the world
어린이 보호구역에 진입했습니다. 서행하세요.
today just peace and air.
약 200m 앞 시속 30km 과속 신호 위반 단속 구간입니다.
Let it flow.